Hey guys, welcome back to Xander Dreams, where we discuss everything business and entrepreneurship. If you're wondering how to start a luxury picnic business and what it takes to get started, you are in the right place. The whole picnic industry has boomed in the past 2 years. With the pandemic going on, people discovered the beauty of picnics. But starting and managing a pop-up picnic service business can get overwhelming. This is why it's crucial to plan ahead, get organized, and create a thorough business plan. The first thing you need to do is to research the market. Before purchasing your inventory and brainstorming what you can offer, you'll need to analyze the market and take a look at what your competition does. And when I talk about researching about the business market that you are interested in, I just mean going on Google and seeing what different brands are doing, what services they're offering, and just get a general gist of what the business model looks like. You just type in the business niche and open new tabs for every result you see on the first page of Google. It's as simple as that. A big part of carrying out research for your business is writing down anything relevant that you think will get you started with your business. Look at the strategies of the similar businesses, their prices, their packages, their hotspots or locations, their website menu, add-ons they offer, and their good or bad reviews. Look at how they promote themselves, look at their social media, and so on. Just any kind of information that you can use to provide a better service. See what you would need to do to reach their level and think of how you could be better or different. Every little thing is important. Now that you've understood everything that goes into starting or getting started on a picnic business, you can create your business plan and get started with setting up your packages and services. So you have to think about what packages and services you want to offer. Like any other business, when you start, obviously you're going to be testing the market. So it's important to start small with 1 or 2 themes. As you grow, you can add more services and buy more inventory. So your themes can range anything from a boho picnic, a classic picnic, a romantic picnic, a game picnic, or anything you want really, as long as it sets you apart from your competitors. So you will pick your picnic style theme based on any event type. It could be a work-related picnic, special events picnic like your bridal shower, baby showers, bachelorette. It could be romantic picnics, anniversaries, birthdays, proposals, or family and friends picnics. Next up is to price your services, and you'll need to price yourself accordingly. You can set up a flat rate charge that covers your basic package and then charge extra for special add-ons. To price your service, you need to consider your target audience, how much time it will take you to offer that service, and most importantly, the location. So your add-on services can be where you express yourself creatively and try new things. Try something that's never been done before and just make people think that, ooh, that's a cool thing to do. I've never done that. You know what I mean? Alright, with that out of the way, you're going to purchase your inventory. When buying your picnic essentials, it is important to think about the reusability as much as you can. This will save you so much money and time to go around looking for stuff you can use for a picnic. Now that you have all your tangible ideas and you can see what you're gonna work with, you can build your website, logo, and business cards. Having a well-designed website will help you attract new customers, increase your business's credibility, and basically make you a lot of money. These days, you don't even need to hire a professional developer. We have websites such as Wix, Squarespace, Shopify that are readily available, and you can just create your website by yourself without any help from anyone. These websites have pre-made templates and beautiful designs that are easily customizable. When you start, you always want to keep your budget tight, so you want to do most of these things by yourself. You also need to consider your logistics and how you will safely transport your items safely to the destination. With all of these out of the way, other things you need to consider is picking a business name, registering your business according to your country's law, securing your website URL, opening a business bank account, and of course, getting permits and insurance. Everything you need will depend on the state or country you're in. It's important to make some research to find relevant information about what laws for picnic permits exist in your country. Again, all of this can be done through Google, or you can find a consultant who will tell you exactly what you need. Being an entrepreneur is an exciting venture, but of course, it can also be challenging. I hope this video helped you in your exciting new journey as a picnic entrepreneur.
Here are some branding ideas for your picnic business. Place business cards at every place setting. Put your business name on your hand sanitizer. Put your business name on coasters. Make sure you always have your business name on a sign. Stay tuned for part 2.